Thanks for checking out this short clip. We want to show you how Kion makes it easy to quickly achieve and maintain compliance with many popular frameworks like NIST, SOC 2, and others by continuously identifying and automatically remediating violations to ensure your cloud stays secure and compliant without the mundane grunt work.
So security and compliance in Kion, or as we like to refer to it, continuous compliance, is designed to not only be preventative but also reactive. In the ever-changing landscape of cloud, it's important to take an approach that allows you to put in the guardrails from day one, while also providing you continual feedback regarding your current state, with the ability to auto-remediate if you choose to do so. So the cloud rules that we mentioned earlier are the initial preventative measures that can be leveraged from Kion to baseline your accounts, put in necessary guardrails, and ensure that your cloud accounts are fully governed in all respects. And on top of that, we have the ability to define granular permissions for users as they federate into the native consoles, which are called cloud access roles. You'll notice that there are some cloud access roles here that were inherited from higher level OUs, and then you can also define local cloud access roles within the project. So looking at some of the available options for cloud access roles, we have the ability to specify access type to web console, short-term access keys, and long-term access keys. You can then also choose which users or groups have access to this particular role, and then choose the additional guardrails for each cloud provider type. You then have the option to create a new role or even leverage an existing role that you've already deployed outside of Kion to be managed by Kion. So policies, roles, boundaries, and session tags can be defined for your users. So as we saw earlier, as the users log into Kion, they have the ability to jump into their native consoles while being fully governed by the guardrails that the organization has put in place. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the cloud evolves too quickly for initial guardrails to be sufficient in ensuring you are meeting your requirements, and that's where our compliance engine comes into play. Our compliance engine allows for many different ways to run and consolidate security findings, and it all begins at this level of a compliance check. We currently ship with over 4,000 of these checks aligned to various compliance standards like NIST, ISO, SOC 2, CMMC, PCI, and we are building more as we speak. Within a compliance check, you get to specify whether you want to leverage our engine, ingest external findings, or maybe leverage our integrations with Tenable SC or AWS Security Hub. Within the policy body, you get to customize a service or resource you want to scan, which conditions would qualify as a violation, what metadata would be most useful for you to see, and whether you would like Kion to take care of the issue as soon as it's found. These checks are then added to buckets or compliance standards, and then mapped to a cloud rule, making the Kion cloud rule a powerful object that can ensure guardrails are put in place, and you can confidently sit back and know that if there is an issue, we'll alert you, or even better, we'll just take care of it for you.
If you have any questions about how Kion can help you have a better public cloud experience, or you'd like to see a demo tailored to your environment and use case, please email us at info@kion.io or visit our website www.kion.io.